In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your WhatsApp account. After being on WhatsApp for some time, later you have a change of mind and you want to deactivate or delete your account. It's pretty simple and easy. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your WhatsApp account, navigate to the top right corner where you see the three dot and tap on it. Proceed to scroll down till you locate settings and tap on it. Then on this interface, continue to click on account. So you have a bunch of menus under account. Continue to tap on delete account. So you've been alerted that if you delete this account, the account will be deleted from WhatsApp and all your devices. Your message history will be erased and you will be removed from all your WhatsApp groups, and your Google Drive backup will be deleted. So once you are certain you want to delete this WhatsApp account, all you have to do is to enter your WhatsApp phone number here. Then after that, continue to tap on delete account. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider to check out our next video. See you in the next video.